There is another meaning of bandhu. Bandhanat muchyate iti bandhu. Bandhanat muchyate iti bandhu. One who makes you free from bondage, one who helps you to be free is bandhu or friend. Suppose a child is their baby and you want the child should walk. Okay? When you want the child to walk, you catch hold of the hands of the child, or you show your finger, the child will catch up your fingers and you tell, walk, come, come, come. Do you want the child to hold the fingers all the time? Tell me. No. And what you want to do? You take the fingers back, come, come, come. The child is walking with the unstable feet. Come, 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 close, close. The child might fall down. Again you catch hold of the child and lift him up. It is a big mistake in the teacher-student relationship. The student thinks there is no other good friend than my teacher. He is so nice, he is so beautiful in any way, he or she. And wants to be too much attached physically, emotionally, in many ways to be attached with the teacher whom the student considered as friend. If the teacher is not stable, or if the student is not steady, this relationship will become a big bondage in the life of both. Remember, in the life of, if you want the child is to walk, give a little support, but take away the support. Let the child walk by himself, herself. You don't want that the child will be always dependent upon the fingers of the parents and walking without the presence of the fingers. The child cannot walk. No. Acharya Vinoba, he told a beautiful message. The student should be teacher-oriented. The teacher should be student-oriented. And both should be God-oriented. Both should be, a student should be teacher-oriented, fine. For how long? And what is the purpose of coming to the teacher? If the teacher is not directing the student, be attached to God, let your mind be attached to the goal, not to an individual. And here what happens, if you are attached to the flesh and blood of an individual or physical attachment, again it arouses so much of emotion, so much of bondage and binding. Even one considers teacher is a good friend, but our approach to the teacher is not healthy, then again you are in bondage. And sometimes if the teacher is strong and he tells, no, you should be like this. Now this, what happens to a student? Reacts, emotion, cry, tear. Oh, he was very nice, nowadays he has changed. He has not changed. You are not changing yourself. He treated you differently at different time period, helping you to grow up, but you are not growing up. Rather, like a creeper, you want to turn around the spool. It is not right. Bandhu means friend. Who is a good friend? Who helps you to be stronger? Who points out your own mistake? Who helps you to overcome your mistake? And who never hesitates, even if it is bitter, but it is truthful to communicate, this is not good.